Here's my rule of thumb. If it has an app, then it means it's mainstream. Just like ordering a taxi or getting your food delivered, now you can actually go and get any cryptocurrency with your phone. And today, continuing from our last video, we're going to go ahead and show you how I buy Ethereum using my phone. So let's get started. Shakepay is a Canadian company based on Montreal, and they make it very easy for Canadians to buy Ethereum and Bitcoin. So we're just going to go ahead and download that. And once we log in, you have similar options. You have an add fund and send. It's a very simple app with very less buttons, so there's no confusion there. So you have three different currencies, which is the dollar, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And basically what you do is you add funds to your dollar and then transfer your dollar to Ethereum. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. And just set up the account. And just like that, buying and selling currencies. Now we're good. Just going to go ahead and add. So you can just go ahead and follow the instructions. So I sent myself $50. We're just going to wait a little bit to get it to update. It says funds received. Now if I go back, you'll see that the funds is added and I got $50. And now I'm going to go ahead and transfer that $50 to Ethereum. I'm going to click on that button at the bottom, which is buy sell. And I'm going to transfer between Canadian dollar to Ethereum. So we're just going to do $50 and go ahead and buy Ethereum. And that was it. So now I have $50 worth of Ethereum on my account. The other way that I buy Ethereum is by crypto.com. And it has a very similar structure. And crypto.com is a really good app. It gives you a lot of choices, not just two currencies. It actually have a lot more different currencies that you can buy. So it's very good. So we're gonna go ahead and buy Ethereum. So all we're gonna do is go into the home tab. And because it's one of the major currencies, you're gonna find them on the favorites. Or if not, you can just go ahead and see all and then search the coin. And we're just gonna go with type Ethereum. As soon as you select it, now you see the Ethereum with the buy button. Just go ahead and buy. So you have different options to buy Ethereum. You can add a credit card and just buy Ethereum with your credit card, which is very convenient. Or you can just buy with the fiat wallet. And fiat wallet is basically similar to Shakepay, where you send money to the app and then from the app you change it. Just make sure to follow instructions very well, because crypto.com app asks you to include an ID number in the message field. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that. And now that the money is sent, just gonna give it a little bit to update. So now that we got the money in the wallet, we're gonna go ahead and buy crypto. I'm gonna select Ethereum. And after that, we're just gonna go ahead and select fiat wallet. And now we're gonna go ahead and go with the next step. After the transaction is complete, we're just gonna go back and it should appear into your account. And Metamask is a wallet that you can use between your phone and your computer. You can actually buy Ethereum directly from your wallet, and I'm gonna show you how. So let's get started. So we're gonna launch Metamask. And in Metamask, you're gonna see two different tabs. There is a token and NFTs. But today we're only gonna focus on the token. And if you scroll all the way down, you're gonna see Buy Ethereum. We're gonna click on that. And we're gonna go and select Apple Pay. And check if your country is supported by searching. And if it is, then great. You can just go ahead and buy. So minimum deposit is 63. So we're just gonna buy that. Pay with. You just need to add a card. I don't have it right now, but that would be like the easiest way you can buy with Metamask. And basically this is it. This is how you can buy Ethereum using your phone anywhere really. And it's very convenient and easy to use. So in my last video, I briefly hinted about something called gas fees. So I'm going to explore that topic in the next video. But in the meantime, you can go ahead and check out the first video I posted about Ethereum right here. And just remember, take it one day at a time, and I'll see you in the next video.